want to talk a little bit about carpal tunnel today. This is a question I sometimes am asked. What can chiropractors do about carpal tunnel, and what is carpal tunnel? Well, let's start with what is carpal tunnel, and then we'll get into what chiropractors can do. Carpal tunnel, many are aware, is something that have to do with the wrists and maybe some pain or numbness and tingling in the hand. But what exactly is happening? Well, if you were to take a cutaway section of your wrist and look at it, so we're looking down at the wrist, there are 4 bones followed by another 4 bones behind that form the top of the tunnel. On the floor of the tunnel is a ligament. Now, people that use their hands quite a bit, this ligament starts to thicken and the tunnel starts to shrink up a bit. Well, through the tunnel pass the tendons that allow your fingers to flex and a nerve called the median nerve. And it generally innervates or covers these 4 fingers, about half of this finger and the other 3. Well, as the tendons go back and forth, they start rubbing against the bones, they swell a little bit, and they start putting pressure onto the nerve, and that causes the symptoms. And this can be quite debilitating. Well, the conventional treatment is to give you some anti-inflammatories, maybe send you to some physical therapy for a period of time, possibly doing injections, and ultimately the person could be faced with surgery. Well, as this person is beginning to experience symptoms, and they haven't gone all the way off the cliff yet to where they start to lose muscle girth and that, chiropractors can get involved to help manipulate the area to try to increase the girth of that tunnel and thereby take the pressure off the nerve and relieve it. We can give you some exercises, and there's some therapies in office that we can do, as well as some nutritional supplements that help take care of the swelling and bring a more holistic approach to the problem and hopefully avoid surgery. Well, if you have further questions about carpal tunnel or any other subjects for that matter, please visit our website at www.pazdel.chiropractic.com or stop in. We'd be happy to answer your questions.